Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we have started the examples and solutions, and in the previous lecture we have covered the ancient history part. Okay. So basically in this lecture we are going to proceed with the medieval history. Okay. The pattern will be the same. Either we will cover the new things or we will cover the things which we had already covered in our previous lectures. Okay. Our time period for 40, 30, 20 and 50 seconds will be remain as it is. Okay. So this lecture is going to be very important. So please mark your attention during this particular session. Okay. 15 questions we are going to cover in this lecture. So let's start with the first question. The first question we have, Delhi Sultanate was founded by Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Qutbuddin Aibak and Babur. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Alright. So basically to understand this concept, let's start with the Battle of Tarin. Battle of Tarin, which was basically happened in 1191. Okay. In this battle, Muhammad Ghori waged a war on Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan, who was the ruler of Delhi on that time. Okay, this battle Muhammad Ghori lost. Okay, in the second year, in 1192, second battle of Tarin happened. And in second battle of Tarin, Prithviraj Chauhan was lost this battle. Okay, and that's how the Muslim rule began in India. Okay, now what is the main concept I wanted to tell you is that mostly people consider Muhammad Ghori as the founder of Delhi Sultanate. No, he was basically the founder of Muslim rule in India. He was not the founder of Delhi Sultanate. It was Qutbuddin Aibak, who was basically the slave of Ghori. Okay, he was the one who occupied Delhi's throne and want to establish the slave dynasty, which is the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Okay, so now I think you have got a clear idea. Like Qutbuddin Aibak is the person who started the Delhi Sultanate. Okay, started the Delhi Sultanate. Muhammad Ghori was the person who started the Mughal rule in India. That's the main difference. Okay, now let's move forward. Second question we have. Famous Sufi Sant who was known as the spiritual guide and played a significant role in the spread of Islam in India was Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Rumi, Shah Jahan, Akbar. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Okay. So basically, if we talk about the Sufi Sant or the Sufism, then it is the reform movement of Islam. Okay. Basically, in the history, or you can say from 11th century to nearly about 17th century, it's just a time period. Okay, it's not the accurate time period, I'm telling you, it's just a roughly time period. Okay, during this time period there was a rise of orthodoxy in Islam. Okay, and there was a group of ulema who are the religious leaders of Islam. Okay, and this is the orthodox group. Okay, sometimes this group even forced the king or sultan to take some negative decisions. Okay, so that's why the Sufi Sant or Sufism started. Okay, Sufism basically believed that person could directly connect with the God, or you can say to the Allah. Okay, could directly connect to the Allah. Okay, so that's why the Sufism was supported by the people and even as a sultan or the king, because they wanted to target the ulema, which is the orthodox group, and forcing the rulers and people to follow their orthodox rules. Okay, so remember the details. Third question we have, Vijayanagara Empire was established by Krishna Dev Raya, Rana Sanga, Bukka first, Rajendra Chola. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is C. Bukka first. Basically, we talk about the Vijayanagar Empire, which lies in the state of Karnataka today. Okay, and it was having a capital called Hampi. Okay, which is very famous for the temples. Bukka first, along with his brother Harihara first, founded the Vijayanagar Empire. And there is a very interesting story behind it. Actually, it is believed that Muhammad bin Tughlaq who was the ruler of Tughlaq dynasty, okay, captured and approached these brothers, converted them into Islam, okay, and then sent them to the South India, or you can say to the Deccan part, to establish their Tughlaq dynasty territories there. Okay, but what happened? Bukka first and the Harihara first converted into Hinduism again. Okay, and thereafter, when they converted into Hinduism, they established the Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, and they cut off themselves from the Tughlaq dynasty. This Vijayanagar Empire is basically ruled by 4 dynasties: Sangam, Saluva, Thaluva, and Aravidu. Okay, and remember, Vijayanagar Empire is well known for its architecture, for its trade, for its prosperity, and for its military advancements. Okay, so that's for the story behind the establishment of Vijayanagar Empire. Okay. Now the fourth question we have. Bhakti movement in medieval India emphasized on social and religious reforms, rationalism and atheism, devotion and love towards God, non-violence and peaceful coexistence. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Time's up. Correct answer is C. Okay. So Bhakti movement is very much similar to the Sufism. Very much similar to the Sufism. Okay. Like there was a orthodoxy in the Islam, there was orthodoxy in Hinduism also. Okay. Like in the previous lecture, I had told you in the early Vedic era, when the Hinduism was on rise, Varna systems, which means Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, Shudras. All of this division is based on the merit basis. Like whatever you are doing, as per it, you will get the recognition. But when it's the later Vedic era, all these things become birth basis. Okay, like your Varna will be decided on your birth. Okay, so that was the orthodoxy prevailed. Also, there was some hegemony of some religious priests. Okay, there were so many, you can say, misconceptions and monopoly of various religious leaders in the Hinduism. Okay, to get rid of all of them and to establish the real Hinduism, Bhakti movement was started, which simply means devotion and love towards God. They believe that you only need to follow the God. Okay, do not follow the other things, religious books, the price, the other elements of the Hinduism who claim themselves as a ambassador of God. Alright, so these is the details about the Bhakti movement. Okay, so remember it was for the devotion and love towards God. Alright, now let's move forward. Fifth question we have. Battle of Talikot 1415-65 led to the decline of Vijayanagar Empire, Mughal Empire, Delhi Sultanate, Chol Empire. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Okay, right. 40 seconds you can take. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, so basically we talk about the Vijayanagar Empire. We must talk about the Bahmani Sultanate also. Okay, so primarily in the area of Karnataka, there were two kingdoms, Vijayanagar Empire and the Bahmani Sultanate. They both were fighting for the reason of Tungabhadra, Krishna, and Godavari river because of the high fertility. Okay, remember in the previous lectures, I had told you in the ancient and the medieval time, there were only barter system. Okay, things could be exchanged and purchased in exchange of things and purchase of things. Okay, barter system was in the prevail during this time, and basically food grains are considered as the most valuable elements. Okay, so if the high fertility in agriculture is there, it means there will be high amount of food grains to be produced. Okay, so that's why higher the food grains, higher the economy. That was the concept. Because of this, Bahmani Sultanate and the Vijayanagar Empire developed a fighting sense between them. They started fighting with each other. Okay, and it was the Battle of Talikot, which is also known as Rakshasi Tangda battle. Rakshasi Tangda battle, in which Bahmani Sultanate occupied itself with the Golconda Sultanate also. And then they defeated the Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, so remember the details. The answer is Vijayanagar Empire. Sixth question we have, famous Razamnama was a Persian translation of which ancient Indian epic? Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Manusmriti. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is A. Mahabharata. Okay. And it was translated by Faisal. Okay. Basically what happened during the Akbar's time, who was the Mughal emperor, there were various liberal policies prevailed. Okay, and as a result of these liberal policies, various Hindu texts were transferred into Persian language, which is the court language of Mughals. Okay, because Akbar and his other subordinates who were able to read the Persians were not able to read the Sanskrit in which the original texts were written down. So that's why they converted them into the Persian so that they could learn and understand what the Hindu mythology deals with. And thereafter, the ruler and the subordinates will be able to treat the Indian society. Okay, so that's why the Mahabharata was converted or was translated into Razamnama by Faisal. Okay. Seventh question we have, medieval Indian ruler who built the Qutub Minar in Delhi was Akbar, Iltutmish, Jahangir, Sher Shah Suri. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is B. Iltutmish. Basically, mostly people confuse that Qutub Minar was established by Qutbuddin Aibak. But they are partially correct. I'm not saying they are wrong. I'm saying they are partially correct. Why? Because Qutbuddin Aibak only laid down the foundation of the Qutub Minar and thereafter he died. After him, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, who was the son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak, completed the construction. Okay, so that's why Iltutmish should be the right answer. Okay, if the question asks you who laid down the foundation, the answer will be Qutbuddin Aibak. But when it's asking for the person who built it, then how could be the Qutbuddin Aibak is the answer? Because this person only laid down the foundation and then he died. He didn't complete it. It was Shamsuddin Iltutmish who completed it. Okay, so remember it. And it was building in the honor of Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Okay, so remember this detail also. Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Okay, let's move forward. Eighth question we have, doctrine of lapse was a controversial policy implemented by Sher Shah Suri, Aurangzeb, Lord Dalhousie, Rana Pratap. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. So basically, doctrine of lapse states that in case of no natural hire of the king, kingdom will be taken over by British. Okay, it simply means that if someone is a king and he or she does not have any natural hire, okay, and the hire is adopted or nominated, then in this case the new king will be not recognized and the entire kingdom will be fall off to the Britishers. Okay, and that's how they captured several kingdoms like Satara, Sambalpur and Jaitapur, Jhansi, Awadh, and etc. These kingdoms were occupied by them in name of doctrine of lapse. Okay, which states that in case of no natural hire of the king, kingdom will be taken over by the Britishers. Okay. Ninth question we have, Mughal Empire reached its territorial peak under the reign of Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is Akbar. So Akbar was the ruler during whose time the kingdom will be at its last, including 20 subas, 20 subas, or you can say 20 provinces. 10th question we have, famous Persian poet who served in the court of Akbar and composed the Akbarnama was Mir Taqi Mir, Mirza Ghalib, Rumi, Abul Fazl. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. The correct answer is Abul Fazl. Alright. 11th question we have, the famous Red Fort in Delhi was built by Sher Shah Suri, Aurangzeb, Akbar, Shah Jahan. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Correct answer is D. Now many people got confused in this question also. Actually there are two Red Forts. First is Red Fort of Delhi. Second one is our Red Fort of Agra. Okay. So Red Fort of Delhi was basically built by whom? Shah Jahan. Okay. And Red Fort of Agra was basically built by whom? Akbar. So that's the difference. Okay. And Shah Jahan also built Peacock Garden. Sorry, Peacock Throne. Okay. Pleasure Garden. Okay. And Taj Mahal. Alright. 12th question we have, Maratha ruler challenged the authority of the Mughal Empire, expanded Maratha territories was Shivaji, Bajirao I, Chhatrapati Sambhaji, Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Correct answer is Shivaji. Shivaji basically belongs to the Bhosle Maratha group. And his primary aim was liberated Deccan from Mughal rule. Okay, so that's why he started expanding the Maratha Empire and challenged the authorities of the Mughal Empire. Alright. 13th question we have. First Battle of Panipat fought in 1526 resulted in the defeat of Ibrahim Lodi, Humayun, Sher Shah Suri, Babur. I had told you so many times. Okay, so I don't think more than 15 seconds you should take to answer this question. 15 seconds you have now. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. Correct answer is D. We all know that First Battle of Panipat was fought between 1526, Ibrahim Lodi and the Babur. Babur was the winner, and that was the beginning of Mughal rule and was ending of Delhi Sultanate. Okay. 14th question we have. The Sikh Guru who compiled the holy book Guru Granth Sahib declared the Guru Granth Sahib as the eternal Guru was Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Govind Singh, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Tegh Bahadur. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is Guru Arjan Dev. Alright. Last question we have for this lecture is medieval Indian ruler who built the Jama Masjid in Delhi was Sher Shah Suri, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is Shah Jahan was the one who built the Jama Masjid in Delhi. Okay. So students, in this lecture, we have covered the 15 questions. We have revised something. We have learned something new. In the next lecture, we will continue with the medieval history. Okay. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture and be ready for the next lecture. With this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.